Do you want to enhance your endodontic skills? Don't worry, we bring you a great teaching manual to explain specific and detailed root canal procedural information for the general dentist. There are common dental clinician fears regarding root canal procedures: unsure what files and treatment sequence to follow, not being able to see into the chamber properly due to poor lighting and access, separating instruments inside the root, not being able to find all the canals of the root system, among other common errors. Leverage off the experience of an endodontist that has practiced full-time clinical endodontics for over 32 years. Do you want to know what you will get? A wealth of targeted endodontic information for the general dentist, with more than 100 pages of tips, tricks, advice, and procedural recommendations for successful endodontic therapy. You will find descriptive video segments that clearly demonstrate many of the endodontic techniques presented within the manual. Purchase your manual and further enjoy the endodontics within your practice and benefit your patients.